If you manufacture medical devices, there is one certification that separates serious players from the rest. ISO 13485, the global standard for medical device quality management. And without it, accessing international markets is nearly impossible. So, what is ISO 13485? It is an internationally recognized standard that defines the requirements for a quality management system specifically designed for the medical device industry. It covers everything from design and development to production, storage, and after-sales service. It is not just about making good products. It is about proving your entire system is built around safety, consistency, and compliance. Now, who needs it? If you design, manufacture, supply, or service medical devices or related components, ISO 13485 is for you. It applies to companies of all sizes, from small suppliers to large manufacturers, and is recognized by regulators in over 100 countries, including the US, Europe, and Canada. What does certification involve? Your quality management system is assessed across key areas: management responsibility, resource management, product realization, and measurement and analysis. Every process that affects product safety and performance is evaluated. The benefits are significant. ISO 13485. Certification opens doors to global markets, satisfies regulatory requirements, reduces the risk of product failures, and builds massive trust with hospitals, distributors, and healthcare buyers. Many international tenders and contracts require it before you can even submit a bid. And here's the connection most people miss. ISO 13485 certification also directly improves your EcoVadis sustainability score, strengthening your position with global procurement teams. MBA Solutions guides you through the entire ISO 13485 certification process, from gap analysis to final certification, quickly, professionally, and without the stress.